Sige, you're on.
Hi Jane and Mike, sorry to know that you're going na talaga. Nako, wala na kami ninang and ninong. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you sa tanan, support pagdating namin dito at saka nung pagbuntis ko kay Kara sa mga advice. Ano pa ba? Sana magkita-kita ulit tayo. Good luck and we're happy for your moving. Sad and happy at the same time para may mapuntahan din kami doon. Thank you sa lahat-lahat and sana magkita-kita ulit tayo. We'll keep in touch. Take care. We're going to miss you both and the kids and everything. Salamat.